Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, sir?
Turn on your cameras, everyone.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Kavya, mute.
Yes, good evening, one and all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So,
Good evening.
so we are in. So we are about to finish triangles lesson, right? Triangles. So we done with the triangles properties, right?
Yes, sir. We are done with triangles.
Yes. So how many of you have?
sir.
How many have you done with that?
Sir, exercise for 7.1.
And if here I ask,
completed.
look at this here. Everyone turn on your cameras first. I asked you to do. I asked you to solve like daily wise problems, like at least minimum 7 to 8 problems.
Yes, sir. I have done.
How many of you are doing that? And
Sir,
I asked
me.
you to I asked you to text me as soon as you finish your homework. I asked you to text me. I asked you to drop a message in WhatsApp, but many of you didn't do that. Everyone
Sir, I
tried.
forgot, sir. I thought you will, in class only you will ask him to send
No,
to
no, no,
PDF item.
no. Once you're done with your homework, you have to finish it. You have to drop a message. Okay. Cool.
Yes. I had completed.
Sir,
Everyone turn on your cameras. Say first turn on your cameras. Yes.
Sir, as I have to inform you, by the CBSE, some chapters are deleted, sir. So,
Sir, 2 chapters deleted, sir. Surface area volume and one more chapter, sir.
9th chapter, sir.
Yes.
9 chapters, sir.
Chapter 5 and chapter 9, sir. So,
Yes, sir.
term
Euclid's geometry and 9th chapter is deleted, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
is ninth chapter triangles?
No, 7th chapter triangle.
So the lessons of term 1 are real numbers, linear equations in 2 variables and quadratic geometry and Heron's formula, lines and angles, triangles and statistics, sir.
Yes, sir.
The
So
surface
can you
area-
cover these topics?
surface area and volume and one more chapter?
Euclid's geometry.
Euclid geometry. I think we have done with Euclid geometry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Except
Sir, we mostly completed real numbers, linear equations, quadratic geometry, and lines and angles and triangles, sir. We
Yes,
need
sir.
to complete Heron's formula and statistics, sir.
yes, sir. Next chapter start Aaron's formula, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, all right. Next, first we'll finish with the triangles. lesson.
Triangles. Okay, sir.
Actually, look at this here. So we have gone through properties. Like I asked you to solve triangles. What do you call that? Exercise problems. How many have you done that?
Exercise 7.
How many have you done that?
Sir, I
Yeah.
have done these, sir.
We have solved. We have just discussed a couple of properties regarding the triangles. Actually, isn't it? So now let us go with. Let us see. Let us revise. Let us try to revise it first. And guys, how many of you know that? How many of you know that? How many of you are watching the Olympic Games?
Only cricket, sir. No,
How many of you are watching Olympic Games?
sir, only cricket. No, no.
Yes,
You mean the Tokyo Olympics, right?
yes. I mean Tokyo Olympics. So India has secured.
Japan, right? Japan.
Yeah, India has won the badminton. So PV Sindhu has won.
Yeah,
the
sir,
match.
she's really rocking. Yeah.
In the semi-final, she has won the match. So she is doing good. All right. So that's what I wanted.
Sir,
to
you will see
discuss.
cricket, sir.
So that's what I wanted to discuss. And yes, let's hope for the best in the semi-finals. And let's hope for
Sir,
the best.
what is his or her name?
PV
PV
Sindhu,
Sindhu
she's from Hyderabad. How
is
many
from
of you know that?
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Our guru is Gopi Chand.
Yes.
Kulal Gopichan, yeah.
Chalo, let's get started now. Okay, interesting topic. So I wanted to discuss like daily one fact we'll discuss like this kind of thing. Daily one fact, daily one news, I would say. So we'll discuss daily one fact, interesting fact. You can share, like, if I know, I'll share. If you know any fact, you can share. Anyone. All right, anyone fact. All right. Just for 2 minutes, just for relaxation. All right, you get my point. Getting my point, children. Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one more time, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
No.
any
No, not today. We have done with today's topic. So let's have discussion of other stuff in tomorrow's class, not today. All right, beta. So we have done with also one topic. So I would
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, weekends test, sir. What about weekends test, sir?
Every week it will be there.
Yes, sir. It is a portion.
Chapter.
Portion will be triangles only again. Triangles again. Okay.
Topper, sir.
Sir,
Not two toppers. Mostly with wise. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
sir,
Please.
for the logical reasoning classes are going to be conducted, right?
Yeah.
Sir, so will we have two classes on that day or only logical reasoning class?
Still, I didn't discuss with the Manoj sir. We'll discuss and we'll post the details in the group, as soon as possible. Okay, so still yet to be decided. So for timings and all, we'll decide very soon and just post in the group. And you don't forget to solve your exercise problems on daily basis. What I am requesting you all is like as soon as you finish with your homework problems, you must drop a message in the WhatsApp that sir have done with the homework. So if you drop a message, what will happen is immediately I would ask you, I might ask you that can you please send me beta? Then you have to be in a position that you have to send me immediately. You can't lie. You can't lie at me. If you are lying, you will be catching hold over there immediately. I'll call immediately your parent. I'll complain on you. That won't be good on your part. All right. If you are really completing that, then only you must drop a message. Everyone must drop a message. If you have to drop a message in the sense you must finish homework first of all, at least 7 to 8 problems, minimum 7, maximum 8. All right, minimum 7, maximum 8, or minimum 7, maximum 10 you could solve, and send me in WhatsApp related to whatever the topic you want. Like, we are in right now triangles, so I would request you all solve the triangles lesson you are. And if you have any doubts, please keep it, you put a star mark on that. And every Wednesday we are having doubt session, right? We try to finish on that particular day, so that would be better, right? So every Wednesday we are having doubt session. So on every Wednesday we'll discuss all the doubts collectively, and just so that everyone can get benefited from that. Already getting my point? So today afternoon, my parents are out, so I couldn't send a message. No issues, Piyush, no issues. Not an issue. Not an issue. As soon as your parents, had reached to home, just you can drop a message. That would be better. Whenever, no, not immediately. Whenever you are, available to your device, whenever you have your mobile phone, whenever it is there, you can drop a message. Not necessarily that you have to drop immediately. It's not necessary. Not compulsion that you can drop whenever you are available with your device or mobile phone, whatever you have. All right, chalo. Now, look at this in properties of triangles. We have discussed what you have discussed, isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Look at this. For suppose if I have something like this side and this side equal. Let us say A, B, C. What property I have discussed? So triangle ABC is what? Now here AB is equal. Let us say AB is equal to AC. Here AB is equal to ABC. So what the theorem? What are the theorems? Theorems in the sense properties. So what theorem one says here? Same thing. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. What is that? Angles opposite. Angles opposite to the equal side. Look at this here. Now this angle and this angle will be equal now. So here angle B is equal to angle C now. Whenever the two sides are equal, opposite to the opposite sides, opposite angles to the equal sides. Look at this here. This is here AB and AC are equal sides now. Opposite angle to the side AC is angle B. Opposite angle to the side AB is angle C. So now angle B is equal to angle C equal. Already we have discussed. I'm revising you all. I'm trying to brush up your, brush up your basics and make sure that you are understanding.
Sir, can you explain this theorem once? I did not understand.
See, look at this here. The thing is, what I'm trying to say here is, look at this isosceles triangle. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏమంటాను అంటే స్ట్రెయిన్ ఇక్కడ విను బాగా ఏబిసి అనే ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది. ఆల్ రైట్, ఇక్కడ ఏబి ఏసి అనేటువంటి రెండు ఈక్వల్, టూ ఈక్వల్ సైడ్స్. వి హావ్ టూ ఈక్వల్ సైడ్స్ హియర్ which are they AB and AC both are equal. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Which means these two sides are equal. What is the symbol of this line? Which means these
equal
are equal, right? So what is the opposite side? What is the opposite angle to the AB? Angle C. Opposite angle. దీనికి opposite angle ఏముంది? C కదా. What is the opposite angle to AC?
B, angle B.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే angle B is equal to angle C అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడు? When now angle B is equal to angle C here. When two sides are equal in isosceles triangles, whatever the equal sides we have, opposite to equal sides, opposite angles to the equal sides will be always equal in isosceles triangle. That is theorem 1 says to us. Already we have discussed this. Now what theorem 2 says to us?
Okay, sir.
What theorem 2 says to us, gives us. All right, the sides opposite. Look at this, right? Everyone write this. The sides, already we have done this. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. That is here AB. That is, you write AB is equal to AC here. That is AB is equal to AC here. Look at this here. What is the sides? The sides are opposite to equal angles. Look at this here. Now this B and C are equal, right? B and C are equal angles now. What is the opposite? What is the opposite side to this B angle? AC. So AC is equal. What is the opposite side to the C angle? AB. So AB is equal to AC. That is what theorem 2 says to us. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Now,
Sir, can you show with the diagram example?
yes, definitely. Why not? Look at this here. If you want. Here theorem 1. Let me write a theorem 1. Already we have discussed this stuff.
Sir, what is the topic name?
Properties of triangle only I am revising.
Properties of triangle.
Okay, sir.
Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So that is, I would say here angle B is equal to angle C from the diagram. I hope it is clear with everyone. Already we have discussed multiple times. So let us move forward
Yes, sir.
without any delay. Chalo. Now look at this here. Let us solve the questions based upon this theorem as well. Don't worry.
Okay, sir, explain this with diagram. Theorem.
Look at this now. Same diagram, no changes at all. Look at this here. What I said is, this is here A, B, C. All right. Angle, the sides opposite to equal sides. Opposite to equal angles. Let us say, for suppose here, angle A and angle B are equal. Okay. Let us say that. Let angle A and B are equal. This green color. Now, what I have to do? What is the opposite side to this angle A? What is the opposite side to the angle A?
Angle C, angle C.
Hello. What is the side to angle A?
Right,
Sreyanji.
angle B, sir. Angle B.
Nick padtera debbalu.
Sir.
What is the opposite side to the angle? What is the opposite side to the angle A? BC, right?
Yes, sir. BC, BC.
దీనికి opposite side ఏంటిది? BC ఏ కదా? Getting my point? भाई देखो, इसको opposite वाला कौन सा side? Which side we have opposite to the angle A? BC only, right? Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Got
This one.
Sir, but
Now, what
BC
is
can't
the-
have an opposite side, right? Because
Yes.
A is not a side.
Sorry.
Sir, BC can't have an opposite side, right? Because A is not a side.
No. What I'm trying to say.
A's opposite side is BC. That we know. But what is BC's opposite side then?
I'm not saying that. You listen to me. What I'm saying is here, let angle A is equal to angle B. I'm saying, okay. Let us consider, for example, let A is equal to angle B, man. Okay. Whenever we have two angles are equal in isosceles triangle, let us say this is isosceles triangle, and let us say that here AB is equal to AC. Okay. These two are equal sides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is an isosceles triangle. We know that, and we have learned the property one. Now, what I'm trying to say here is, look at this. Let A is equal to B. Let us consider angle A is equal to angle B. Now, what I'm trying to say is angle A. What is the opposite side to the angle A? This one, B. So now B is a one side. So BC. And what is the opposite side to the angle B? AC. So BC is equal to AC now. This is the property. Clear? This is what I wanted to say. All right. Now, if we have something like this, if you don't understand like this, so if you have something like this, so here, let angle B is equal to angle C. Okay. Let angle B is equal to angle C. Now, which sides will be equal now? Tell me.
Yeah, sorry.
See here,
AB
which sides
is
will be
equal to
equal?
AC.
What is
AB
the
and
opposite
AB.
side? What is the opposite side to the B? AC.
AC.
And what is the opposite side to the C here?
AB.
AB.
AC is equal to AB. This is the property here. So whenever I have two equal angles, opposite side to the equal angles will be always equal. Whenever two sides are equal, opposite angles to that side is also equal. Clear? Theorem 1 says that opposite angles to the particular sides, opposite angles to the equal sides will be always equal. Opposite sides to the equal angles of a triangle always will be equal. Both are still very little difference, very small difference we have here. Here in the first one we are talking about angles opposite to the equal sides. Both will be equal. Here we are talking about sides. Here we are talking about angles. In theorem 1 we are talking about angles. In theorem 2 we are talking about sides. I hope it is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? What theorem 1 says to us? If angles opposite to equal sides, अगर angles opposite to the equal side, जो भी equal sides है उसको opposite है ना, जो उसको opposite वाला जो angle होता है वो सब equal होता है. आ रहा है समझ? Opposite angles to the equal sides, equal side पे जो भी angles है वो बराबर होगा. आया समझ? Getting my point, children?
Yes, sir.
Look at this now. Here AB and AC बराबर है. AB and AC are बराबर है. तो इसको opposite AC का opposite angle कौन सा होता है? B होता है. AB का angle opposite side कौन सा होता है? C होता है. तो इधर angle C होता है बराबर. ठीक है, ये दोनों इक्वल होता है। आया समझ? नाउ देखो, अगर हमने मान लिया एंगल बी इज इक्वल एंगल सी, हमने मान लिया कि एंगल बी इज इक्वल एंगल सी, तब क्या हालत होगा? तब क्या हालत होगा बताइए मुझे। देखो इसका अपोजिट कौन सा है? एंगल बी का अपोजिट साइड कौन सा है? ए सी है, तो ए सी, एंड अपोजिट एंगल सी का अपोजिट कौन सा है? ए बी है, तो ये दोनों बराबर होगा। आया समझ? मुझे लगता है किसी को भी ना डाउट हो यहाँ पे। एवरीवन गॉट, isn't it? Everyone got it right?
Sir, so
Yes,
AC,
sir.
sir, AC is equals to AB is equals to BC.
ना बीसी नहीं है, ऐसे क्यों होता है? नहीं, ऐसे जरूरत नहीं है। ओनली ए सी इज इक्वल ए बी हियर। क्यों? मतलब एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी बराबर है ना। ए सी इज इक्वल ए बी ओनली, नॉट बी सी। आया समझ?
Sir, but why we have leave BC?
बी सी कहाँ दिया? वेयर वी हैव गिवन बी सी?
No, but I'm asking why we
Ah.
have leave.
लुक एट दिस, व्हेनेवर यू हैव एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी बराबर होगा तब बी सी होगा। देखो एंगल ए, अगर एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी बराबर है, लेट अस से एंगल ए इज इक्वल एंगल बी, नाउ व्हाट इज ऑपोजिट साइड टू द ए हियर? BC.
BC.
BC is equal, what is the opposite angle to B here?
AC.
AC. तब ये होगा, then this condition will come. All right,
Okay,
आया
sir,
समझ?
understand.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
अगर हमने अभी क्या लिया इधर, just I took now B is equal C.
AC and
B is equal C लिया तो क्या आएगा? ये आएगा। आया समझ?
yes, sir.
I hope it is clear with everyone. So that is,
Yes, sir.
now let us talk about inequalities of a triangle. Inequalities, very very important topic. Inequalities.
Actually, this topic is deleted, sir, for us. CBSE told.
Is it so?
But why do we
Yes, sir.
need this topic, sir, when we do not apply this these equations?
One second. Don't be hurry. Has it been deleted? 1 second.
Sir, for us, they did not explain, sir. This is deleted. Why we need? For
I
exam
have
also
portion.
to-
Don't worry. I have syllabus. Don't worry.
Okay.
Let me check it out once. From the triangles we have, who said it is triangles lesson we have? From the triangles, two triangles are congruent if they are, look at this, two triangles are congruent if any two sides. Let me show you the syllabus once you. I think many of you are not aware of. Guys, many of you are from CBSE only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many
Yes,
of you are?
sir.
How many of you are from CBSE here? Guys, how many of you are from CBSE? I'm asking you.
So we raised our hands.
So we
So
did.
we raise our hands.
Okay, just a minute. Let me download the. We have the syllabus. And let me show you so that you also can get an idea clearly. Just a minute. 1 minute, beta. Yes. Let me share the screen and show you. Look at this here. Can you able to see the screen? Guys, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Calm down.
Yes, so we can.
So many of you are from CBS only. Okay. No
Yes, sir. First term was this only, sir.
Look
We
at it.
told already.
Number system. This is a term one syllabus.
Yes,
Term
sir.
one. देखो first term. 1 second. In first term, guys, first term you are going to write for 40 marks. 40 marks. So 10 marks is going to be internal assessment, which is going to be conducted by your school only. So total 50 marks. For term one is going to be for 50 marks.
Yes,
Term
sir.
one is going to be for 50 marks. So in the term one, you are going to write for number system, linear equations in two variables and
Yes.
coordinate geometry. Look at this way. Don't interrupt.
Yes, sir.
Coordinate geometry, and coming to the geometry, we have lines and angles, and after the triangles we have, look at this, and coming to the mensuration, Heron's formula. Coming to the statistics and probability, we have statistics alone. So probability we'll be learning probably in the next term. Look at this here. So coming to the second term, first we are going to learn polynomial. After that, quadrilaterals. Coming to the geometry, circles and constructions. All right. Surface area and volumes. That is for your second term, not for first term. Who said it has been deleted? Nothing has been deleted. For
Sir,
second term, it is there. All right. For second term, we have that. Clear?
Sir,
it is being deleted, sir. Even
Yes,
for me,
sir.
few
For me
chapters.
also.
Okay.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
decide. Hello. Wait. Let us decide later on. First, let us focus on term one first. So term one, what we have so far, what we have done? We
Now
have
show
done
triangle.
number system. Number system we have finished. Linear equation in two variables we have finished.
Yes, sir.
And coordinate geometry we have finished. Lines and angles we have finished.
Yes, sir.
We are about to finish triangle. So
Yes,
we
sir.
have only left with Heron's formula and
Statistics.
statistics. So immediately we can finish. Next chapter is going to be our Heron's formula. After the statistics. After that we
Okay.
can write only fully mock test and mock test. Okay. So now in
Okay.
triangles, let us see what are the things we're supposed to learn. From the
Yes,
triangles,
sir.
what are the things we're supposed to learn? Let us discuss first. So look at these two triangles are congruent if any two sides are included. SAS
Yes,
word.
yes.
This is SAS,
Yes, sir.
ASA,
Yes, sir.
triple S congruence, RHS
RHS.
congruence. So everything we have learned. Now
Yes, sir.
prove. Look at this. Angles opposite equals to triangles are equal. We have just now we have learned that
Theorem 1 and 2.
theorem. So look at it. The sides opposite side to the equal angle. Second theorem. Just now we have
Yes,
learned.
sir.
And the sides opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. The sides opposite to the equal sides are equal.
What? This you should explain, sir.
Sides, angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. Just now we have learned. The sides opposite to equal
Two
angle.
equal angles.
Just now we have learned all this stuff.
Yes, yes,
So
sir.
now whatever we have discussed already, everything we have finished.
Yes, sir.
the
You told
triangle
inequalities, no, sir.
So we don't want to discuss anything after this. So today is
Yes,
the
sir.
last class for triangles, and after this, guys, probably will be this class itself will finish this theorem. Now probably we'll be writing a quiz right now. So last
Okay,
10
sir.
minutes, please remind me 6:15. So 7:15, right? 6:15, sorry. 6:15. You please remind me at 6:15,
Okay.
please.
Sir, but 6:15 the class will end, right?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
6 o'clock. You please remind me. 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Still
Okay,
17
sir.
minutes.
So still 17 minutes. We'll try to finish it off. Now I don't think so. Everything everyone have understood all these properties. All right. You must be in a position to
Sir, I did
apply
not understand this property, sir. The side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal.
this one.
This is seventh one. This one.
That's now I just told, right?
What?
Okay, no
Angle B is equal to AC. That one, yeah. Opposite side.
Wait. See here. First theorem says about angles. Second
Yes.
theorem says about sides. Okay.
Yes.
Here 6th and 7th are both are same, man. Why he has given 2 times.
Okay.
Look at this.
Okay.
Both are
Okay.
same.
Okay.
Look at this. Both are same only.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry
Yes,
about
understood.
discussing. 6 and 7 both are same only. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So now look at
Okay,
this.
sir.
Now. Inequalities we don't have. So no need of learning all this. Inequalities means what? Inequalities.
Equal is not. It is not equal.
Inequality means what? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side is larger or greater. So that's what we have learned.
Yes,
So
sir.
in any triangles, the side opposite to the larger or greater angle is longer. So we have learned all this. So it is not required for your syllabus. It has been, vomited. It has been, omitted. So no need of learning that. So let me explain you that property. You are asking about second property, right?
Yes, sir.
A first property.
Yes, sir. Second property.
Look at this, man. Nothing we have. Look at this. Let us say this is a triangle ABC.
Yes.
Okay, triangle ABC we have. Okay. Let us say angle B and angle C we have equal. Let given that angle B is
Angle B is equal to angle C.
they have given the question. So what is the now? Let us for a while. You just forget about angle C. Just forget about angle C. You just think about only angle B. Angle
Okay.
B. What is the opposite side? Who is
AC.
opposite side? AC. So now
AC.
AC here, AC, and who is opposite? Now forget about angle B. Now think about only angle C. Who is opposite to C?
AB.
AB. So these two guys will be equal now. Whenever we have two angles are equal, opposite to those angles, opposite to opposite sides to those angles will be always equal. That is the theorem.
Okay.
I
Okay,
hope it
sir.
is clear with everyone. Is
Okay.
it clear? Now shall
Yes, sir.
we solve couple of problems regarding this?
Yes, sir. Sir, in exercise
sir.
1, I have doubt, sir. In exercise 1.
Which exercise?
Exercise 1, 7.1. Sir, I have doubt in 8th one, sir. Exercise 7.1, 8th one.
Which one? Which one? Sorry.
8th one, sir. 8th one.
Exercise. Tell me.
7.1. 7.1.
Triangles lesson.
Yes, sir. 7.1. Triangles.
So 7.1. Which one?
8th one.
Which one? Sorry.
8th one, sir. 8th one.
Eighth question. Can you please read the question?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
The right angle triangle ABC. That only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In right angle.
This is the diagram given. Look at it. Here, what is this? This is AB. Okay, this is BC. This is CD. Okay, this is M.
Yes, sir. Midpoint.
Okay, midpoint. What he has given in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, and M is a midpoint of hypotenuse AB. Very simple. And C is joined to M. C is joined to M here. Yes, C is joined to M here. And produce to D. Okay, produce to D means like it has been extended till D. Okay, and such that DM is equal to CM here. DM is equal to CM. These two are equal. So point is joined to B. Okay, these two has been joined. No issues. Now, what we have to show here? We have to show that in triangle. The first question is triangle AMC. Triangle AMC. Triangle AMC is equal to what we have to show?
That is which question?
What is the first question? Triangle AMC. Tell me. Shreyanji. What is the first question given?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is.
Oh, sorry. BMD, sir. Sir, I'm sure. I am in mute, sir. I forgot.
What is triangle AMC? What we have to show?
Congruent to triangle BMD.
Congruent to triangle
BMD.
BMD. See here, look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. Don't do anything. Just look at the diagram. What best we can do here? He's talking about triangle AMC. So first let us draw that triangle AMC, right? AMC, this triangle. Blue color triangle is talking about, and
Yes,
BMD, and this blue color, he is talking about these blue color triangles.
Yes, sir.
Right? Here M is a midpoint, right? M is a midpoint.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
M is a midpoint means here M is a midpoint means here can I write AM is equal to BM?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because he has given CD.
CPT. CPC. By CPCT.
M is a midpoint, right? M is a
Yes, sir. Midpoint.
okay. And he has given that given CD is equal to DM.
DM.
Given question.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next.
CM, no, sir. CM is equal to DM.
CM is equal to DM. Yeah, CD is not CD, CM. CM is equal to DM. Why? Because this has been given in the question clearly.
Yes, sir. Now we should find.
Now what can we do here? AMC.
AM is equal to BM.
Which criteria of triangle we can apply?
Yes, yes.
Sir, we can angle DMB equal to angle AMC, vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angles. What angle?
DMB and AMC.
AMC. Vertically opposite angle.
DMB
is equal to angle
angle
AMC. Vertically opposite angle.
But this is what vertically opposite angle. Vertically
opposite angle.
By using vertically opposite? No. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So now what can we say now? What can we say? Tell me which.
AM
which
is equal
criteria?
to B.
Which criteria we can use then?
SAS.
Look at this here. SAS. Why SAS? Tell me.
Because this is angle, sir. Angle DMD.
One angle we
is
have
equal
here. One angle.
Uh,
One angle. So
Yes, sir.
can I
Two
say the
sides.
Side. Angle. Side.
Sides.
Yeah, we need
Side,
to find the third one.
Angle. Side. Sorry.
I think so.
By SAS. Can I say by side, angle, side? We have one.
Is equal.
Look at here. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. By using these two by SAS.
Yes, sir.
SAS, we can
Say that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD.
it is clear.
Should
Like that you can solve every question. There is nothing is there.
Okay, sir. Sir, fourth one explain, sir. Fourth one that
What is the fourth one given? What is the fourth one given?
fourth one given.
For every problem, sir.
Tell me.
Prove CM is equal to half AB.
2 cm is equal to
Just CM is equal to half AB.
okay. Cheap means is equal to half AB. Okay.
Prove.
Okay, we have to prove. What is the diagram? Let us copy this diagram here. Chalo. CM is equal. He's talking about CM, right?
Yes, sir.
I got stuck. 1 second, guys.
Okay.
CM is equal to CM. What is CM here? CM is this one.
This straight one. CM.
There is all this stuff. CM. This is the CM here, green color.
Yes, sir. CM. That's
Okay.
Yes.
CM is equal to half of AB, right? Half of
Yes.
AB. We have to prove this. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
We have to prove this. Now look at this here. We have something perpendicular here.
Sir, DC is equal to AB first. First step we can write DC is equal to AB, na sir.
Why?
Means MS midpoints DC is intersecting, na sir.
Sorry.
MS midpoints, sir. So DC and AB are intersecting. So we can write DC.
Midpoint. MS midpoint.
M is midpoint.
M is a midpoint. Okay.
So we can write DC and AB, na sir. Intersecting. They are intersecting. Right?
DC is equal to DC
AB.
is equal. Now these two diagonals. These two are hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
Hypotenuse and this hypotenuse equal. We said okay. DC
Yeah.
is equal
AB.
to AB. Okay. Why we are calling that both are equal?
Because the hypotenuse plus straight angle.
Guys, anyone of you please tell me what is the reason behind DC is equal to AB? Look at this here. Why? Because DBC, this triangle and this triangle, both are congruent. Can I say both are congruent to each other?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. That is the reason we are calling that as
Okay. DC is equal to AB.
both are congruent. Since why?
By CPC.
DMC.
Google DMC congruent to ABC.
Now here, M is a midpoint. So can I write now?
DM is equal to CM
and AM is equal to BM.
BM due to M is midpoint.
Or DM CM, right?
Yes, sir.
DM is equal to CM. This is the case. Now look
Sir,
at
we
this.
can directly write it as DM plus CM equal to AM plus BM, right?
We can, what can we write?
Then DM plus CM equal to AM plus BM. Both are equal. Like DC equal to AB. So
Yes, sir.
DM plus
CM
CM
is equal to
plus
AM
BM.
plus BM.
is equal to
AM plus BM.
is equal to AM plus BM.
Yes, sir.
You can write like that, no problem. And look at this here. We know that everyone is equal here. Everyone is equal. We can substitute DM is equal to CM, right?
Yes, sir. So
He is asking for CM here. So
Yes,
let us,
sir.
in place of CM, in place of DM, we'll write
CM. CM plus CM
plus AM equal to AB.
AB.
AB. So here
B2
AM is what?
AM plus BM, so it'll be AB.
This is will be AB, right?
Yes, sir. That's what I said.
Very good. So AM plus BM is equal to AB. Very good. Right answer. So 2 times of CM.
2 times of CM is equal to AB.
AB.
CM is equal to half AB.
half AB.
Thank you, sir.
So very simple, guys. So yes. Any doubts? So guys, I think we have only how many exercises you have total?
So
3.
3, sir.
5 exercises, sir. 5
So what,
exercises.
look at this
5
here.
exercises in that 4 only, sir. One is inequality.
Wait. See here, homework. Every day I'm giving a homework, that is solve your NCERT regularly and drop a message in WhatsApp as soon as you finish your homework, which means daily 7 to 8 sums. Okay, now once you're done with this, you can solve your foundation book as well. Foundation book problems as well. You can solve R.D. Sharma as well if you have so.
Sir,
You can solve 1 second, don't interrupt. R.S. Agarwal also you can solve it out. Any book. Any 2 books, guys. Any 2 books you can solve. Any 2 books. So which will be helpful to you all for gaining the concept and to see different types of sums. Understand? Chalo. Now I think, tell me. Yes, someone was asking.
do we need to write CPCT for every problem, sir?
Yes, why? Because if you write so, CPCT, if you write where, for suppose, look at this, beta. See, here we are using. How did you write this one? How did you write this one? And an examiner should understand this. Why did you write this stuff? If you don't write this stuff, he won't be in a position to understand why did you write that. If you mention this clearly, oh, and triangle DMC is congruent to triangle ABC. That is the reason why he is writing DC is equal to AB. So that he will give full mark. If you straight away DC is equal to AB, then who will understand? Why did you write? How did you write? Where did you write? Who asked you to write like that? Everything, all of the questions will be rising up. So better you write that one so that the examiner will, without any doubt, he will give full marks. Immediately, he won't even check the answer. If you are writing this right away, he'll give full marks. I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the reason you have to write. Why? Because that is the main heart of the question. That is the heart of the question. This is the heart. It is a kind of heart. Without heart, will you be live? We won't be alive, right? This question also same thing. Without heart, you won't be alive. Same thing.
Yes.
Yeah, without heart, this property will not come. If you don't understand, this property will not come. Vice versa. So nothing will come after that. So everything is very important. So for every question, wherever you have, guys, CPCT rule. For suppose you are using any criteria regarding CPCT, everyone must write that. Clear? I hope it is clear with everyone. Chalo.
Can we?
Yes, please.
Sir, can we just directly jump into the congruency solving part instead of listing out all the things in the starting?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sir, in the examples they'll write given to prove like that. Should we just directly go to
yeah, you do your job. What I'm trying to say is, whenever you are solving a rough, no need of doing all the stuff. The thing is, you should understand the concept. But whenever you are solving an exam, everything should be written given, and you have to highlight all CPCT rule wherever you are using. You have to highlight that. You have to write in brackets such that, oh, since we are using this congruence since we are using this CPCT rule, so we are getting this point. Everyone, the examiner should understand clearly. But whenever you are practicing, whenever I'm giving you as a homework, leave it as it is, no problem. If you know that, you leave it. No need of writing it. It is not mandatory, but you should know that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is homework. So now let's go with the quiz now. Let's go with the code. Shall we? I think we have done the triangles
Yes,
now. So we have done the triangles. Hello?
So will we have
Hello?
Yes, sir.
See here, the intention of conducting the quiz is to see the different question apart from your NCERT, to see the different types of questions, to increase your speed, to see the accuracy, to see an accuracy in your problem solving skills. You understand, children? That is the main intention of that conducting the quizzes. So we'll have a friendly competition among you guys. Now let us check what kind of website it was. Class 9
Quizzes.
math quizzes on triangles. So
Yes, so the first one.
let us see the first one. Oh. So create a quiz, assign, start a live quiz or what? Start a live quiz?
Start a live
Yes, sir, we
quiz.
have to start live.
Start a live quiz.
Start a live quiz.
Classic.
Continuously.
And you continue. Very good. Fatafat. Only 5 minutes of time. I won't give much time.
So the
5 minutes of time.
Sir, link.
One
The
second.
chain part.
One
So the
second.
chain.
Click on chain.
Beside the
click
classroom.
that.
Yeah.
That one.
I'll share. Please. I'll share. Don't worry. You do one thing. Only 5 minutes of time I'm saying. Only 5. After 5 minutes, I'm going to wind up this session. Clear? Look at this. I'm posting the quiz. And chalo. Start the quiz now. I'm going to start. As soon as you join the quiz, let me know, guys, so that I can start the quiz here. Make it fast. Have you joined? Come on. I started getting requests. Oh. Shall we?
Yes, sir, you can.
Sir, wait a
Chalo.
So only 5 people. Okay, 7 people.
Come on.
Yes, sir, you can.
11 members. So total class strength is what now? 19 members are here, excluding me, 18 members. So 18 members has to be joined. Guys, others, everyone should join here. Everyone should join. 12, come on. Those who are facing issue with the joining, can you please raise your hands? Please,
Sir, I can't join.
everyone, please, down your hands. Down your hands, please. Down your hands. Those who are not able to join, please raise your hand. Who is that? Toshnika? Are you in a position to join?
Yes, sir, I joined.
You joined. Modita, have you joined? Modita ji.
Joining, sir.
Parth Ahuja. Why? What is the reason, Parth?
Sir, it's not letting me.
It's not letting you. Why?
I don't know, sir.
To try with another device, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what about others? Everyone have joined, only 13 members. What about others? Sujay,
sir.
Akshit, Kazi, Piyush,
Sir, I
Parth,
have-
Mohit,
I joined.
Rishikesh, Devasri, Ananya, everyone. 14. Come on, everyone should join. I should see everyone is writing the quiz. It is not like waste of time. It is not for time pass, isn't it? Everyone should join. Come on.
Sir, it's not letting me join, sir.
Very good, Eva. I'm talking to everyone. Everyone. Okay, Bhargav. Tell me, Bhargav, have you joined?
No, sir. I raised my hand, sir. I'm not able to join, sir.
Okay, Modita, Tosnika, Bhargav are facing some issues, isn't it?
I lower my hand. I'm so sorry.
Okay, cool. Modita, what about you? Modita, what about you? Are you here? You should respond. Come
Sir,
on.
I have joined already.
Then write down your hands. Again, you are raising your hand, Are Bhargav, what is the issue? Can you please change the device? Those who are facing an issue with joining, please change your device and join it. Chalo, let's get started now. I'm starting.
Sir,
with this.
that's what I did, sir. It's not
Yes.
letting me.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Guys, can you able to see some sound? Can you able to hear some sound here?
Sir, tell Kavya to mute, sir.
Yes, I already muted, no problem. Make it fast, come on. Yes,
Sir, after this quiz, may I leave? I have another class.
please. Yes, please. Come on. See here, 8:06 now. I'm going to wind up sharp at 8:11. 8:11 I'm going to wind up. Make it fast. Who is that? Unmute
And
yourself.
few questions. So in few questions, they say figure is given below, but there's no figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, leave those
Yes,
questions.
sir.
You just leave those questions. We can't do anything. You just leave that questions. You solve whatever the questions you are able to solve. Make it fast. Please, guys, unmute yourself. Who is that? I'm getting such a lot of noise from your side. Kavya. Ananya is doing great job. Make it fast, beta. Sayakshit, come on. Piyush, 6 right answer. Come on, Piyush. Mohit, Sujay, Toshnika, Shreyan. Come on, Shreyan. Devasri, come on. Kavya ji, come on. Tayyiba, Katun, come on. Rishikesh, come on. Akshit, Harini, what happened? Modita, what happened? Come on, make it fast. Devasri, what happened? What does that pink color shows? Wrong answers?
So for what? So for what?
What that pink color shows here? Pink that
Yes, sir. It was the wrong thing.
wrong. Okay. Devasri, I think you have attempted many wrong questions. You have committed a lot of. Ananya, Mohit are doing great job. Piyush, yeah. So far they didn't get 0 wrong. Sayakshi also good, but few got
So
wrong.
that means we are doing continuously correct. Like
Yeah,
that.
continuously correct. That's what I'm saying. So blue, somewhat like this. What do you call this? Pink and that light is light green color shows that wrong and correct questions, right? Yeah. Ananya, 13 right and 14 right answer. I think she's left with only one question. Very good one, yeah. Great job. Ananya, did you feel anywhere difficult to solve the questions?
There were some questions without the figure, sir.
Okay.
So that's where I couldn't get. That's
All
where I
right.
could not get the answer.
All right. Guys, last 15 seconds.
Sir, once come down.
Done. I'm going to
So I
end,
think there are
guys.
many questions
Yes.
with
End.
no figure.
I'm going to end up. Sorry. Chalo. So let's see. Ananya, Piyush, Mohit. Ananya first, Mohit third, Piyush second. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ananya. Congratulations, Piyush and Mohit.
I don't know why everyone has problem with me.
Please.
Sorry.
So may I leave? I have another class in progress.
Please.
Can we have another one or one only?
No. We have just 3 minutes of time, so we'll have next session. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, beta. Chalo, 1 second. Let me have a look. So Piyush have solved all questions correct. Mohit committed with 2 wrong answers. Rishikesh, you got 93%. Why you got 93? You got 93%.
Sir, I think I took more time to answer the questions.
Acha. Okay.
Time also matters.
Okay, Mohit 86. But accuracy is important. Very good. So speed you have done with very speed, right? Kavya Singhal 80%. Okay, no issues, Kavya. Learn it. Learn from it. Sujay also very good job. Sakshit, very good job. But Akshit, you have to improve, Akshit. Shreyan, you also have to improve. Modita, you have to improve, Modita. Speed up. Tayamba, cartoon, you have to
Sir,
speed
I
up.
was having internet issue. It was going by itself.
No issues. You have to improve. Come on. Toshnika, you have to improve. Devasri, Harini, you have
Sir,
to.
I couldn't do it.
Devasri, Harini, you have to.
Network issues.
Harini, what's the problem?
Sir, I was facing network issues, sir.
Ayyo, no problem.
It was
No problem.
questions
We'll do for the next time.
were small.
Next time we'll make it better. Okay. All the best.
Yeah.
Devasri, what's the wrong with you? What's the issue with you?
Sir, one answer I'm taking, one answer it is taking, sir. I don't know why.
No problem. Practice many questions. The next exam I should see Devasri in the top 5. Okay, Devasri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I should see in the top 5. Let's see. Let's take it as a challenge, beta. Okay. Chalo, Tosnika, she has left, I think.
Sir, but I won't get good marks in the quizzes, sir.
So, Harini, I should see you in the top 5 in the next quiz. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are saying something? Yes.
Sir, in the school or in the tuition, sir, I won't get good marks in the quizzes, sir, as we compare in the exams.
See,
I don't know why.
Quizzes is all about how speed you practice, how speed you calculate the solutions, how speed you solve the answers. That is what all about. So this online quizzes makes you so perfection in terms of solving any kind of competitive exam questions. So it's a great quality. That is what the reason I just committed to conduct quizzes on regular basis. All right.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So let's retire now. Thank you. So please review. Please go through your mistakes again. Let's retire. Then we'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed the session.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We enjoyed it a lot.
We enjoyed. Why we will not enjoy?
We did enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Bye.